नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं इग्नू स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, जिनके लिए गाइडलाइंस आ चुकी हैं। गाइडलाइंस एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉर सबमिशन ऑफ ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म ओनली फॉर ODL मीन्स ओपन एंड डिस्टेंस लर्निंग एंड ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम्स पेन एंड पेपर एंड CBT यानी कि कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट मोड स्टूडेंट्स फॉर टर्म एंड एग्जामिनेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स सबमिशन एंड प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन फॉर जून 2026। जी हाँ, जून 2026 के लिए एग्ज़ाम फॉर्म भरने की डेट आ गई है। लास्ट डेट टू अप्लाई ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म फॉर 3 जून 2026 इज़ 10/3 से शुरू हो जाएंगे फॉर्म भरना, और 10/4 तक आप इसको भर सकते हो विदाउट लेट फी। The June 2026 term and examination of University for ODL and online programs, pen and paper and CBT mode is likely to commence from 1st June 2026 onwards. Online link for submission of the examination form, that is TEE project submission and practical examinations by the eligible students for June 2026 term and examination is also open along with the schedule and necessary instructions and guidelines thereof. The students may submit online examination form accordingly by following the instructions and guidelines provided. तो क्या है गाइडलाइंस हम देखेंगे। From January 2023 admission cycle onwards, the university has implemented the project evaluation fees and practical examination fees for having project and practical component of the programs accordingly. SED, that is Students Evaluation Department, has notified, or division, Students Evaluation Division has notified its notification white number F number IG oblique SED oblique practicals oblique projects oblique 2023 oblique 12295 dated 7th March 2023. Therefore, the students of January 2023 admission cycle and later are required to submit the online fee for project evaluation and practical examination along with the TE through this portal. We have to note that improvement is not permitted in practical courses. The students who have already passed the practical courses in previous term and examination submits the examination form for practical courses again in current session cycle, then the practical marks will not be considered. The examination fees for such students will not be refunded or adjusted. No request regarding refund or adjustment of fees for or updation of practical marks will be entertained. Only those students who want to improve their division can apply only through offline mode at the concerned section within 6 months of printing the mark sheet. Now, students should note down this schedule. The date is from 10/3/2026, that is 10th March 2026 to 10th April 2026. You have to, if you are before prescribed fee for students admitted till December 2022 admission cycle, 200 per course, theory course and practical or lab course, and exam practical project fees for the January 2023 admission cycle onwards. Examination fee rupees 200 per theory course, and practical course, for practical course, if it is up to 4 credit course, then 300 per course, and if it is above 4 credit course, then rupees 500 per course. The university allotment of the exam center is, the university will try to accommodate the students in the examination center opted by them. In case the sitting at the center has exhausted, student may choose the nearest or alternate exam center under the jurisdiction of the same regional center. What after 10th April? Up to 10th April, the form can be filled online mode. After 11th April, means after 10th April, from 11th April to 24th April, the form may be filled online only. And if your admission is before 2022 December, then 200 per course theory course, practical lab course, rupees 200 per course with late fee of rupees 1100, means total rupees 1100 extra you will have to pay for late submission. And what about this after December 22 cycle, January 23 and onward cycle, the late fee will remain same, rupees 1100, and for project fees up to 4 credit, rupees 300, and above 4 credit, rupees 500. However, the university reserves the right to shift the students from one exam center to another exam center. The decision of the university is final, and students cannot claim. We have to note that the university reserves the right to reschedule, cancel examinations papers at any time in all the examination centers across the country or in any particular examination center or state due to any exigency or any other reasons. Students registered for appearing in practical lab courses including BLIS program are advised to contact their regional center for venue and schedule of examinations. So this is how you can go through by the timeline of the submission of examination forms for Ignou University. Up to 10th April, you can apply without late fee. After 10th April, that is between 11th April to 24th April, you will be able to apply, but only with the late fee of rupees 1100 overall over and above the final amount of the quantity of courses you are going to take exam for. Okay, thank you, share this information, very valuable information, with your colleagues, students, friends, so that they can also file or apply for their exams well before time without late fee, hopefully. Thank you very much.